Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm working on the servo for the elevators today. Well, yesterday and today. I'm going to see if I can turn that piece of aluminum into a mount. And servo, I spent most of yesterday and, well, unfortunately most of today trying to get this exactly where I want it up here. I'm pretty happy with where it's setting right now. It's up out of the way, and I don't think it's going to cause any interference issues with anything. Trying to make a mount, I think I finally decided that I'm going to use these 3 tabs to mount it and bolt it to the head frame. And I think it's going to come up over the top of this wire anyway. This is the crossover Aileron cable, and then come down this inside here, and then I will bolt it to the front. I think that's going to work out pretty well. It gets this up out of the way. It doesn't get anything hanging down in this area down here where you can hit it with your helmeted head. Yes, everybody in this plane is going to wear a helmet. I think that's just the safest thing to do. Head injuries are non-recoverable. And I believe I'm going to end up, get this out of the way, actually over bending this 90 degree up here so that this actually kicks forward a little bit. I'm pretty happy with the way the pulley lines up right now, and I think that's going to work out pretty good. But we'll see here in just a few minutes, or next couple hours anyway. I'm slow, but I don't have to be fast either. So I'll see you all in a little bit. Well, today was a pretty good day. I got something actually accomplished for a change. Actually, it's been the culmination of a couple of days to make this one single part. Amazes me how long it takes me to make something so small, but it worked out really well. You all got to see me bend this piece of aluminum up that I was going to use for my Aileron servo. But after I bent it, and because I had to bend such a tight radius on it, I ended up with a whole series of stress cracks in this end and here, and that wasn't going to work. That scares me. That could come apart. But what I did end up with, I've got it all bright and shiny now, is my new mount. Nice and strong. I drilled the holes in the top of it and one back here just to lighten it up some. It fits perfectly. Just enough room for the Aileron crossover cable to pass underneath it. Not very heavy. It weighs right at 1 pound. I made it out of 16 gauge steel, so it's plenty strong. But the pulley lines up perfectly with the crossover cable. As you can see, it's just clecoed in place right now. Eventually, those will be replaced with bolts. There's another piece that goes across here on top that the plexiglass ceiling hooks up to, gets bolted into or screwed into. And pretty much, that's what I got for you. Anyway, have a great day. Like and subscribe if you want to. See you later. Bye.